Was ist los? I'm making a video I honestly never thought I'd have to make because I've never seen something like this before. Alright, so I was just at one of my usual haunts and I just bought the new Icebreaker album, okay? Just took this fucking thing out of the wrapper and there were some red flags right away. But one of them was that, look, the case just fucking disintegrated as soon as I opened it. That's red flag number one. Then, when I popped it in the deck, hang on, let me, wait, what do I have in the deck already? Fuck. Alright, so let me pop it in the deck. This is supposed to be Icebreaker, right? Let me skip ahead to the track that got me to buy this album. This ain't it, G. Whatever I bought, this Icebreaker CD is not Icebreaker. I don't know what band this is, but there were 14 tracks supposedly on this album. And when I skipped through with Misaka's stereo, clearly there are only 12 tracks on whatever CD I ended up purchasing here. What the fuck is going on with this shit? Like, for real. This is probably some kind of issue with Metropolis Records, but Jesus fucking Christ. I've never seen anything like this before, but somebody needs to fix their shit.